Obviously you'll see this if that's ugly. I'm not putting that in there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys hairstyles that you can do with braids. Right now I have knotless braids, but you can do these with any protective style. But before we even get to that, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to subscribe. Okay, and since I know most of you still did not do what you're supposed to do, I'll be giving another reminder in the middle of the video and at the end. I haven't planned any of the hairstyles. I'm kind of just making this up as I go, but I never do anything too complex. So these are all simple and easy hairstyles. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So the first one is just down like this, or wherever you like to part your hair. Next we're gonna do a half up, half down. So however much hair you like to do, just grab at the front. Bring it forward. Don't people like pose in each one? Let me do that. Okay, next one. Right here, but bring pieces out. You can do one like this, but I do two. It just adds a little bit more to it, and these are always really cute to do at the front of hairstyles. So, yeah. Next is the same thing, but if you don't like your hair to be so high up, just bring it back to like the middle of your head. This definitely makes you look older when you put it lower like this. And then if you still want to bring the two pieces forward, you can just. Yeah. Simple. Next, we're gonna do half up, half down, but with a bun. Do the bun better than this. There you have it. Half up, half down with a bun that is struggling, but yours will be cuter. And I just left these out. Next, you're just gonna grab two pieces each side. Very simple, super quick. And it keeps your hair out your face. Same thing. Pull them out. Okay, so next we're gonna do a low ponytail, but I'm gonna do something to it to make it not so boring. Oh, honestly, that's throwing some hoops. We're gonna count that. That counts as one. So the one that I intended on doing the low ponytail was no. So I'm just gonna show you guys how you can do it with a half up, half down. Two pieces. I don't know what it looks, oh, Let me see what it looks like. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Next, we're gonna do a high ponytail. So you can keep it like this. You can take a little piece from the back. Again, if you like the pieces in the front, we will be counting this as an extra hairstyle. If you want to bring the ponytail all to one side, you can. This was not my intention. I just did it for the next hairstyle that I'm about to do, but we gonna count it. Definitely bringing back when I was 6. So next we're just gonna do a regular bun. So take the hair. I'm about to fix that. Okay, so next, this is a hairstyle that people do with like their natural hair, but it looks cute with protective styles too. So just take a few pieces at the front. And just bring your hair forward because it does a better job of hiding the ponytail. With your hair half up, half down, take out a few pieces and put them to one side. It's a cute little bang, a long bang, but it's cute. Okay, so the next few I'm gonna do with a scarf, just if you're ever wanting to change it up a bit, or you want part of your hair to be covered that day, or your braids are getting a little old. So. And yeah, I think this is so cute. Okay, so next is the same thing, except I'm gonna pull some hair out, so bring it back forward. Next, you can have all your hair pushed back. Just I'm gonna turn this into a headband, but if you have a headband, you can just do it with that. Just hold it. I'm gonna do middle part. Adjust it to your liking. Have a few pieces out. This is so cute. Oh, I'm sure it's the middle of the video. Go ahead and subscribe if you're still watching. Just go ahead and do it. We'll wait 5 seconds again. Thank you, so appreciate it. You have no idea. If you need all your hair out your face that day, or you don't like pieces in the front, same thing. Just easy, very simple, very cute. If you struggle putting braids or protective styles in ponytails just because it's so many, you can use these scarves and it makes a really cute ponytail holder. So I just rope it up like that. And I don't mind the things hanging because I like the design. It's just much easier and it's not as much tension on your head if you are someone that, you know, can get headaches or something from protective styles. Next, if you want to have a little more fun, so I mean concerts, it's just a way to be a little more fun, go back to your childhood. Okay, so from here, if you're into space buns, Why am I like kind of liking them though? You can twist them and it'll be really pretty. And it just adds a little more to the hairstyle.
Next.
Okay, this next one inspired by, not even inspired by, she did it, Alyssa Ashley. It looked really good on her. We're just gonna try it. So, part your hair down the middle. Okay. I hope y'all see this vision that I'm trying to replicate. Oh my god, I got them pretty even. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna hype myself up, say it looks good. It's cute, but it's very childish. And not in an insulting way, but that's just the truth. Like, mostly children would wear pigtails. So now we're gonna do a half up, half down, but I'm going to leave a lot of hair out. Okay. That's kind of a look. I'm gonna put it in there. I don't know if I'm feeling it yet, but it's gonna go in the video. Next, I'm going to attempt something a little more grown. So you're gonna put all your hair well, most of your hair to one side. I'm gonna take this side and twist it. I hope that looks good, I really don't know. But, I mean, from the front it's cute. Oh, it does not look good from the back.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
I don't know how that looks. I'm gonna leave it in the video just because I know that it's cute from the front, and when you twist it, you can just do a better job than I did. This isn't really a hairstyle, but more so a hack, just if you didn't know. And let's say you forget a ponytail this day, or you just really need to get your hair out of your face, can't find a scrunchie, a ponytail holder. Grab 2 pieces from the back of your head, bring them around. Like for the time being. And as you can see, it does a really good job of putting it back. It doesn't come loose or anything. Okay, so this next one is really easy. It'll just add some flavor to your style. And just leave them down. Very simple, it just adds a little some. And look at that, helping me out, like we did with the twist, grab. We're going to do a low bun. That's a pretty terrible bun, but I would wear it. I would wear it. Just make it a little more cute. I actually kind of like that, the little one piece out. Add that to the list. Okay, so I have no idea how many that was, but I feel like I did a bunch. Comment down below which one was your favorite. But that is the end of this video. If you did enjoy, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna wait another 5 seconds. I've given you 3 times. If you haven't done it yet, I don't even want you here. Okay, I don't. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.